Decree with the Archangel Zadkiel. Breathe deeply, close your eyes and repeat with me. I am the violet flame, consuming all doubt or fear. I am the violet flame, purifying my past and present memories. I am the violet flame, purifying all pain. I am the violet flame, acting here and now. I am the violet flame, in my aura, thoughts and feelings. I am the violet flame, freeing me from all darkness. I am the violet flame, I only receive divine light within me. I am the violet flame, the divine light in my heart. I am the violet flame, transmuting negativity and receiving hope, love, and peace. I am the violet flame, forgiving, healing, thanking, and freeing myself. I am the violet flame, purifying my soul into more light. I am the violet flame, receiving the divine love of God. I am the violet flame, with all the power, with all the power, with all the power of God. I am the violet flame, I bow only to the light. Thank you, thank you, thank you.